Welcome back to our channel. With the scorching summer heat upon us, it's time to explore the refreshing and versatile watermelon. In this video, we'll share 7 creative uses of watermelon that will keep you cool and satisfied all summer long. Let's dive in. Hydrating watermelon smoothie. Start your day with a hydrating watermelon smoothie. Blend fresh watermelon chunks with ice, a splash of lime juice, and a handful of mint leaves for a refreshing and nutritious drink. It's a fantastic way to stay cool and replenish your body's hydration levels. Watermelon fruit salad. Upgrade your traditional fruit salad by adding juicy watermelon chunks. Combine it with other summer fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and grapes. The watermelon's natural sweetness and high water content make it a perfect addition to any fruit salad, giving it an extra burst of flavor. Watermelon popsicles. Beat the heat with homemade watermelon popsicles. Puree watermelon chunks in a blender, add a touch of honey or agave syrup for sweetness if desired, and pour the mixture into popsicle molds. Freeze them for a few hours, and you'll have delicious and refreshing treats that everyone will love. Watermelon salsa. Add a twist to your summer barbecue with watermelon salsa. Combine diced watermelon, finely chopped red onion, jalapenos for a kick, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. This sweet and savory salsa pairs perfectly with grilled chicken or tortilla chips, bringing a burst of flavor to your meals. Watermelon gazpacho. Discover the chill delight of watermelon gazpacho. Blend watermelon, cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers, garlic, and a splash of vinegar in a blender. Chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. This cold soup is not only refreshing but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Watermelon skewers. Elevate your summer party with watermelon skewers. Cut watermelon into bite-sized cubes and thread them onto skewers along with fresh mint leaves and feta cheese. This delightful combination of sweet, salty, and minty flavors is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Watermelon facial mist. Revitalize your skin with a homemade watermelon facial mist. Blend watermelon chunks, strain the juice, and transfer it to a spray bottle. Keep it in the refrigerator and spritz it on your face for a refreshing and hydrating boost throughout the day. It's a natural way to keep your skin glowing and moisturized. Conclusion. And there you have it, 7 creative and refreshing uses of watermelon for the summer. From smoothies and salads to popsicles and facial mists, watermelon is a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various ways. Don't let the summer heat get you down. Embrace the goodness of watermelon and stay cool all season long. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay hydrated and have a fantastic summer.